Hi everyone, this is Jesse with Keyboarding Online. Today I'm going to go over our newest feature called Score Replay. Currently I am logged into the Teacher Manager and I'm looking at a Student Simple Progress Report. To view the Student Score Replay, I'm going to select one of their scores, select View Replay, and the first thing we'll see is the text that was typed and the time that they were given. And then I'm going to select Watch Replay, and then it will show a video of their text as they were typing. It will show the mistakes that they made, any backspaces that they made, and then you also have the option to speed up the timing. Just like in the student program, it will highlight any errors that they made. This is one of our newest features that is only available in our new version of the student program. That just about does it for us. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email.